When we are going to create the virtual machine, so in the next phase we are going to select the operating system for our newly created virtual machine. So here you can see in the section of image, by default Windows 10 Pro is selected with the Gen 1 option, and if you want to change the operating system according to your own requirements, according to your organizational requirements, or according to your you can say customer or client requirements, so you can select other operating system as well from the drop down list. So here you can see we have other options also available. So we can change the operating system, we can go with the Windows Server 2019 data center Gen 1 option. We can also select other operating systems on Ubuntu platform, on the Red Hat or SUSE Linux, Oracle, Debian, and other Microsoft operating system like Server 2016, or you can also select an older operating system, Windows Server 2012 R2 data center. So lots of options available. You can select operating system as per your own requirements, and if you want to explore more options inside Microsoft Azure, so other options are also available. Here you can see all images. Just click on it and explore other operating systems. Here we have more categorized options available right now: Windows Server, Red Hat, and Debian. And if we move forward, here we have an other important category which is known as application infrastructure. So you can install your operating system with number of integrated applications. Like here you can see LAMP is already integrated with this operating system, and same goes with CentOS 7.5 and CentOS 7.6. and if we explore more inside the Microsoft Azure, so here you can see Windows Server operating system, and from here when we click on the select option, so here you can see Windows Server newly launched operating system also available with Gen 1 and Gen 2 options. So in the month of August 2021, Microsoft launched its newly server operating system. So this server operating system is also available here, and you can select a core edition, or you can select the data center edition with GUI experienced as well. And if we explore the 2019 options, so 2019 options are available with containerization. So we will definitely learn lots of things with containerization when we move forward with this journey, but right now we are just going to explore the operating system options. So 2019 and here you can see 2016 and 2012 number of options available inside the operating system images when we are going to plan with the virtual machine creation. So you can select as per your own requirements. And if we explore other options, so here you can see we have number of categories for AI and machine learning, analytics, blockchain, compute, containers, databases. Right now we selected the compute option, but you can select any other option and install your own required operating system as per your own requirement. And here we have an other important area which is known as My Images. So we will definitely explore this option as well. And right now we just need to understand that My Images option is used for customize images which user can upload on its portal. So when you want to create your own customize images according to your own requirement, it might be you are going to create your customized web servers, or you are going to create your customized GP application, AX application, and upload images over here to create the virtual machine. So we will definitely explore how we can create these images and how we can upload over here. But right now just you need to understand why this option is available here. And another important thing is that you can also utilize the filter option. Here you can see pricing selected with all options: operating system, publisher type, VM generation, security type, publisher name. So you can select, you can filter according to your own requirement just from here filtering option. So if you want to see just Jan 1 VMs, so you can select from here. Here you can see, if I select the Jan 1 options, so only Jan 1 VMs will be available here. Here you can see the options. Right now options are completely changed. So if I want to select the Jan 2 option, so this option is also available over here. And if I select the all option, and from operating system category I just select server, Windows Server 2019, so I just click on this option and go with the selection of server 2019. And here you can see, if you want to select any other operating system, so you can also select it as well. So right now we just go with the server 2019. So here after a few searching options, here you can see now all available options with server 2019 operating system. So it's up to you and your organizational requirement what kind of operating system you are going to install on your virtual machine. So let's move forward and see what kind of other options are waiting for us to explore inside the Microsoft Azure.